Welcome back to CrazyDavesCrew. I'm Laura, and you're watching a Simply Earth box opening. And this time we're going to open up one of the big box, or the big bonus box, which you'll get twice a year. It's just their way of kind of helping you out with some equipment and carrier oils and things. As always, 13% of the profits goes to help end human trafficking. Very attractive to me, but this is a double whammy. So let's get this opened. Slowly working through my stack of all the boxes, and we're going to be working through some of the projects. Alright, so what we have here, ta-da! So what you see here, this over here is your actual monthly recipe box. This over here is your extra bonus. And hey Earthies, we're thrilled you're here. Welcome. Kind of how the recipe box works. Very interactive, a lot of things online through their website teaching you from step one. So what did we get in our bonus? Our bonus, we got some beeswax, some coconut oil, some almond oil, and fractionated coconut oil. So all of this is a bonus just to help you, or in this case help me, keep working up the recipes. Oh, almost forgot something. Check it out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 6 bottles here. Some little 6 roll-on bottles. And then 6 little essential oil bottles. All of that to kind of just help you out so you can keep on making. So we're going to set that off to the side. And now we're going to open up the actual recipe box. So I said, all that's extra at no charge. I did not get charged for this. This is all just part of what they do. As it really feels like they really want me to succeed in these recipes. And these are items that you use a lot of. All right. And I have not got a clue what month we're on. We are just opening these boxes up as we go and seeing what we've got. So we have dissolvable sheets, dishwasher sheets. Dissolvable sheets powered by enzymes. Fragrance-free 2 sheets from Ruthie Lou's. And then we have a laundry detergent sheet. Must be something in one of the recipes for that. We have our little stickers that we can put on our bottles so that we know what we've got. And our little hero sticker right there, if you're keeping up with putting those in the little book. Simply Earth Cleaning, 0 to Hero. This month is for cleaning. DIY Soap Nut Liquid Laundry Detergent Kit. And they have the barcode for you to learn more about that. A free guide to cleaning. And then a QR code for Ruthie Lou's. We have multi-purpose cleaning tablet. We have Castile soap. Tea tree essential oil. Lemon eucalyptus essential oil. Clean and Fresh oil mixture, and Tangerine. And by the way, these boxes are awesome for Christmas presents and such. So, if you have room for saving them, we really don't. Let's see. I love it when we get the recipe cards. I have a notebook I put all these in. We have Lemon Lift Laundry Sheet recipe. Clean and Fresh Multi-Purpose Cleaning Spray. Alright, that's a definite. Bye-Bye Stain Remover. Oh yeah, that's a definite. Mood Refresh Roll-On. Yeah, I probably need that one too. Spring Clean Diffuser Blend. And Simply Clean Dishwasher Detergent Sheet. And it tells you from your box, you need a half sheet of Ruthie Lou's detergent, dishwasher detergent sheet, and 15 drops of the Tangerine Essential Oil, and it goes through and tells you what to do. So, awesome. Oh. And then there's some QR codes to get 20% off of your first purchase at Ruthie Lou's. How to get 50% off your next box. And that's by referring people. So it is very helpful if you guys will use my link down below. If you're interested, sign up for that. Sneak peek at next month's box. So always be sure to look on the back of the recipe cards as well. Oh, this is April 2025. April 2025. And it shows you a number of things. And last but not least, if you have questions, we're here to help. And scan here to learn more. So, April 2025, I have my cards that I can take a look at. And I love it tells you from your box you need XYZ, and then it gives you the instructions. But they pretty much give you everything you're going to need. Now, obviously, if you use up your roll-ons and your little things, your little bottles, you may need to go buy some more of those. Hobby Lobby, Amazon, any number of places. Simply Earth has them for sale as well. And you can just get them added on to your box, and there's no shipping. Of course, you know, you'll pay for the items, but like I said, now if you want them to be shipped separately, there's going to be some shipping charge. But they try everything they can. They try very hard, and I think they do succeed in making it as effortless and painless as possible to learn how to use these items and to use them. So that was April 2025. This is one of the big bonus box. You'll get one of those twice a year, every 6 months, with extra ingredients. April 2025 recipe box. And I cannot wait to get started on these, and that is coming up. Well, I really hope you will check it out, and be sure to keep watching as we start going through some of these recipes and start making them up. I've had some diffusers, and I've had foaming hand soap bottles for I don't know how long, but I'm tired of just storing them, so we need to use them, right? Their goal is for you to have a toxin-free home and for you to not be quite so reliant upon your local big chain, wanting to instill some self-sufficiency and less chemicals, more natural. That's very attractive to me as well. So kudos to these ladies for putting this business together and putting these boxes together. Be sure to check out that link. Very helpful to me if you'll use that link to place your first order. I know at one point, if you used my link, you would get $10 off your first 5 boxes. I don't know if they're still doing that or not, but I think they are. But you'll see that when you open up the site. I have found Simply Earth to be pretty easy to use. It's pretty straightforward. So I do hope you'll check them out. And I really hope that you will like and share this video. Maybe you know someone. Maybe you're not interested in this, but maybe you know someone who is. Be sure to share this to them. We're so glad to be back into the swing of things. I'm so glad to be opening up these boxes that I've been tripping over and start using up some of my supplies. So, yay. Going to be fun. And I think this time it's going to be real fun. You know? Well, I hope that you have been intrigued by my little things. And I sincerely hope that you will come back for all the holiday stuff that we're planning, all the fun family stuff that we're planning, the crazy trivia, the sewing, any cooking. Be sure to check out the Crazy D Ranch and Rabbitry. A lot of stuff starting to happen over there, starting to pop. And most importantly, I hope you will come back to see more box openings. Like I said, more sewing. A lot of things coming up around the bend. We are going to be very busy, but I don't mind that. And especially when it's something fun like this. Be sure to come back, and I will see you next time right here on Crazy Dave's Crew. Thank you so much for watching.